Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack. Today I will be showing you how to fix HDMI Overscan Windows 11. So guys, if you ever wondered how to fix this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to your settings into your computer. Now, over here on the settings tab, you could just simply go ahead and go for the system over here on the left side of the screen. And now you will have an option over here, display. So go ahead and select display. So here on the display, guys, sometimes this error happens because you don't have the right scale and display resolution. So guys, make sure to select the recommended ones over here, and also make sure to change the display resolution to recommended, because other display resolutions can cause this issue. Now, if it doesn't work, a simple restart will do the work. So from here, you just simply go for the start menu, go for the power button over here, and just simply select restart. So guys, a simple restart can fix the issue, and mostly this will work. Now, if it doesn't work out, we just simply utilize the device manager over here. So just simply search for device manager. And here on the device manager, sometimes outdated drivers can cause the issue. So to update the drivers, you could just simply select display adapters over here. And now from here, you just simply right click on it and simply select update a driver and search automatically for drivers. So guys, from here right away, it will install the latest drivers, and mostly this can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.